Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're brewing coffee using the GSI Collapsible JavaDrip cone. Now this is a pour-over cone that comes as a flat pack disc, and it expands out and is made from really tough, lightweight silicone plastic, and it only weighs 136 grams in total. It's the perfect pour-over device to add to your hiking or next camping adventure. But I also believe it would make just as much sense to someone who's tight on space and likes to keep organized. As it packs down nice and tight, you could throw this straight into like your kitchen drawer, no hassles there. And as pour over cones go, it has a flat bottom to it. So for reference, this makes it more similar to a kalita wave than it does a V60. And it'll still make 1 to 4 cups of delicious pour over coffee using number 4 standard paper filters. So let's get set up using the Collapsible JavaDrip cone. First, weigh out your beans. I'm using 17 grams, which is around 2 full tablespoons of beans. And you can easily just pre-grind portions to help save on space and weight through traveling. But for that extra freshness, I've got the Porlex MiniThat, and this is a great travel companion. Also, GSI have their own grinder and drip cone bundle, and you can check these out on our website. As we all know, grinding fresh beans does make better coffee, so I'm grinding these beans just finer than a medium grind, which is a perfect cone filter setting. Pop out the brewer and then place it over your cup. You can center the brewer really easily here, as underneath there is a flange on the bottom that helps you get it centered. Place your paper filter into the cone and then quickly just give it a rinse, throwing out that rinse water. Next, add your grinds, and then with water just off the boil, we're going to add about twice as much water as we had coffee for our bloom. Then waiting 30 seconds here helps the coffee fully soak up that bloom water. But once that time has elapsed, begin adding the rest of your water in slowly in circles, just making sure you keep the water level above the coffee, but not filling up the cone too quickly either. So a couple of short, sharp bursts of water will help in the brewing, and it should take around 3 to 4 minutes to complete brewing. And once it is finished dripping through, now you can drink it black, or you can add some milk to it if you prefer it that way, for a really hot and flavorful pour over coffee to enjoy. Oh, that's good. Made better because cleaning pour over drippers is as simple as it comes. You just need to remove and dispose of the paper filter and give the cone a quick rinse, and you're done. And that's the GSI Collapsible JavaDrip pour over cone for you. It's a great lightweight, compact design that's made really tough and durable, perfect for the outdoors or your daily brew. Gets better as it cools. Now, if you have any questions on this product, then throw them in the comment section below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen so you subscribe and stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this one every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit like, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.